Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. I hope that you have done your homework which I have given in you the last class. This is the second class of English. So students, have you completed your previous work? Yes, I hope you all have done it, okay, in a proper way which I have instructed you to do, okay? So students, as you can see on the screen, here is a picture. I was just searching, then I like this picture and I thought to share with you. Can you see the picture? Yes. Can you tell me that what is happening in the picture? Yeah, it's a beautiful picture of a park. There are so many children playing, sitting, standing. It's a very brightful day. Can you see it in the picture? Yes. How many girls are there? Can you tell me? Yeah, there are 4 to 5 girls in the picture. And two mothers are also there. One is standing and one is telling stories to the children. Three children are sitting around. Three children are sitting around her. Yeah, one girl is running with the balloon. Yes. Can you tell me how many children are sitting on the swing? One is sitting, taking the slide, and the two others are sitting on the seesaw. Have you ever sit on the seesaw? Oh, yes, all of you have been sit on the seesaw. There are two girls also. What are they doing? They are playing with the ball, right? Yeah. There is also a tree, bushes. You know what this means by the bushes? Bushes is the small trees. Small bushes is a bunch of trees at the back side of the lady and the children. There are 4 clouds also in the sky, as we can see in the picture. It's an amazing picture. Now we will move to our next picture. Can you describe this picture, students? I hope you can describe the picture. What you can see in this picture? Can you tell me? Yes, we can see a tree, a dog with a ball, and 5 children behind the dog. Is this a park? Yes. This can be a park or a field. So like this way, we can explain the picture, and we can write in the sentences or a paragraph. So students, what we are going to do? We are going to do a picture composition today. What is picture composition? Picture composition is that we explain the picture by writing in sentences. So open your copies. Open your copies, students. Now we will going to write picture composition. Describe that picture. You can see this picture at your book, page number 69. Picture page number 69. Page number 69. You can see the picture. Okay. And we will use these words to describe the picture. Okay. What are the words? Scratch, behind, scream, night, inside. What we will do? We will make it up in a paragraph, okay? I will teach you how to write in a paragraph. What we will do? First of all, we will write the date and day. What is the date? What is the day today? Today is Friday. Work should be neat and clean, okay? Friday, mention CW over here. And the date is 9th of April. 9th of April 2021. Okay? And Islamic date is 25th of Shaban 1442. Okay? Like this, as you do in your copies. Date first, then CW, then Friday. And don't forget to mention the page of picture composition. First, you will write the heading of picture composition. Picture composition. In the center of the page, okay? In the first line, picture composition. Writing should be according to the writing series, okay? Picture composition, don't forget to mention the page number 69. It will be easier for you to look at the picture, okay? What you will see, please open your books in front of you, page number 69. In this way, you will see the picture and write in the copy. आप पिक्चर देखते जाएंगे और सेंटेंसेस आप बनाकर इसको पैराग्राफ में लिखेंगे, ठीक है? Underline it, picture composition and page number. Okay? Now, what we will do? First of all, see how many children are in वहाँ पर आप if you will open the book, अगर आप book खोलेंगे तो आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर हमें कुछ hints दी गई हैं कि how to start the paragraph. Just they are hints. You can use also this, लेकिन आपको खुद से भी स्टार्ट करना आना चाहिए. जैसे यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल दिया गया है, some children were playing football in a field. A dog came walking by. One boy kicked the ball onto the road. यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया गया. अभी हमें क्या करना है बेटा, इन वर्ड्स जो नीचे दिए गए हैं वर्ड्स, इनको यूज कर पैराग्राफ बनाना है, ठीक है? इन इन इस पिक्चर को देखते हुए, ठीक है? तो हम क्या करेंगे बेटा, हम यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे. देयर वर, इसको हम पास में लिखेंगे. पास जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था, पास क्या है, जो हो चुका है, ठीक है? ऐसा स्टोरी लिखेंगे हम इसको. देयर वर, आई होप आप सबको साफ क्लियरली नजर आ रहा हो. देयर वर सम चिल्ड्रन some children playing football इन द सेम वे. इसी तरीके से पेपर में भी बेटा डिफरेंट पिक्चर दी जाएगी और आपको पिक्चर कंपोजिशन सॉल्व करना होगा बाय राइटिंग सेंटेंसेस. ओके? इन द पार्क, पहला हम लोगों ने डिस्क्राइब कर दिया पॉइंट कि वहाँ पर कुछ बच्चे हैं जो पार्क में फुटबॉल कह रहे हैं. सडनली, सडनली मीन्स अचानक. कुछ वर्ड हम अपने भी ऐड कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? Suddenly, a dog came running. A dog in the park. Suddenly, a dog running, came running, picked the picked the ball and ran away. We are using past tense, okay? Past tense because it had happened. Ran is past tense, okay? Came is past tense, picked, ये सब हम past tense यूज कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? सेकेंड वर्ड सेंटेंस भी डिस्क्राइब हो गया कि डॉग जो है वो आया भागता हुआ, उसने बॉल को उठाया और भाग गया, ठीक है? As the dog, as the dog, as the dog started to scratch the ball, started to scratch the ball. Scratch mean मुंह से उसने उसको खुरचना स्टार्ट किया. स्क्रैच द फर्स्ट वर्ड वी आर यूजिंग, ओके? जो वर्ड्स नीचे गए हैं उसमें से जो पहला वर्ड है वो हम लोग ने यूज किया, उसको मैंने हाईलाइट कर दिया बाय अंडरलाइनिंग इट, ओके? बॉल. द चिल्ड्रन स्क्रीम्ड. The children screamed. Screamed यानी चिल्लाना शुरू कर दिया. क्या कर दिया? Screamed is the second word which we are using from the below words. Okay? Screamed. Screamed. Screamed and ran. Ran behind. Behind इसके पीछे. Okay? Behind the dog. Behind is the third word, okay? Behind the dog, but they could not. Could is also past, okay? Second form of can. Could not get the ball. Full stop. What we have done? We have wrote कि डॉग के बारे में तो चिल्ड्रन ने चिल्लाना स्टार्ट किया जब उन्होंने देखा कि वो बॉल को स्क्रैच कर रहा है और लेकर भाग रहा है, तो उन्होंने क्या किया? चिल्लाना के शुरू किया और उसके डॉग के पीछे भागने लगे. बट दे कुड नॉट गेट द बॉल. क्या हुआ? उनको बॉल नहीं मिला. फाइनली 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 बिलाखिर they got the ball. They got the ball at night. At night inside the bushes. Inside the bushes. Night and insides are the words given below. कहाँ से मिला? बुशेस, बुशेस क्या है? जो ये वाला जो छोटे छोटे जो दरख्त बने हुए होते हैं यहाँ पर गार्डन में, एक तो बिग ट्री होता है और जो नीचे जो छोटे छोटे बुशेस बने हुए होते हैं, ये दरख्त बने पौधों की तरह वो बने हुए होते हैं, घास वगैरह बहुत ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में, तो ये बुशेस कहलाती हैं, ठीक है। I hope you all have understand how to write a picture composition. Now I am going to read for you. There were some children. बुक को सामने रखें और इसको भी साथ में पढ़ते जाएं। बुक को लाजमी आपको ओपन कर कर सामने रखनी है ताकि यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड इट प्रॉपरली एंड मेक sentences. There were some children playing football in the park. Suddenly, a dog came running, picked the ball, and ran away. As the dog started to scratch the ball, the children screamed and ran behind the dog. But they could not get the ball. Oh, but they could not get the ball. Finally, they got the ball at night inside the bushes. ठीक है, क्लियर? गॉट इट एवरीवन? आई होप सबको समझ में आ गया होगा और अच्छे तरीके से आ गया होगा, ठीक है। अभी सबको ये काम बहुत नीटली और टाइडली काम करना है अपनी कॉपीज में, कि जब ये मेरे पास आ जाए तो काम सबका अच्छा होना चाहिए, बल्कि परफेक्ट होना चाहिए, सही है, विद डेट डे एंड राइटिंग ऑन द लाइन्स, ओके। अल्फ़ाबेट्स फॉर्मेशन शुड बी अकॉर्डिंग टू द योर राइटिंग सीरीज, ओके। Okay, students, this was the work for today. We will meet in our third class, inshallah. So please do your work on the time. Okay, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.